हर वर्ष लगेंगे मेले, वतन पर मिटने वालों का बाकी यही निशा होगा। Today we are celebrating death anniversary of a great farmer leader, Sir Chotu Ram. He was born in Gadi Sapla village of Jhajjar district, Haryana. He was born in a poor farmer family, and when he completed his middle education from Gadi Sapla, then he left the study due to the poverty. Because his father was unable to continue his study, that's why he left the study. But in his school, there was a teacher. That particular teacher went to in his home and he discussed with his parents and he motivated them that your child is very intelligent. You should continue his study. After this motivation, his father Sukhi Ram thought to continue his study, and he went to a businessman in our Rajasthani. We say that businessman Aarti. He went to Aarti and asked for money to continue his ward study. When his father was standing in front of him and was demanding for the money, then he threw the rope of hand fan on his father. And what he told that you win me, then I would give you money. Because at that time, generally in the big houses, the people had the hand fan. And that hand fan worked with the help of labor. So, when that businessman threw the rope on his father, then that child who was Sir Chotu Ram felt insulted. And after having that insult, he didn't look behind in his successful story. And he got name and fame. Even the British awarded him by Sir, because in generally the British period, the people are awarded by Sir. So he was awarded by Sir. That's why he was known as Sir Chotu Ram. And he was also known as Deen Bandhu, means poor's friend or bro, because he always helped the poor people, especially the farmers. There was another incident about him. It is about the Pakistan. There is one place in Pakistan near Lahore, and the name of that place is under the name of Sir Chotu Ram, like our museum. So some persons group went to the commissioner and they told that we wanted to change the name of this place. We don't want that this place name under the name of Sir Chotu Ram. Then the commissioner replied, you tried to find out any other person who worked more than Sir Chotu Ram, then I would change it. So, people would feel shame and they got back from there. Because Sir Chotu Ram contribution is not less than other social activists, especially for the farmers. He formed one party, and in this, all the farmers were united, and that party name was Jamidara Party. And it was related to only farmers. So he worked very hard for the farmers, and he made many rules or the acts in the favor of farmers. So in the last, I want to say, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पर रोए, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पर रोए, वर्षों में पैदा होते हैं चमन में दीदावरियां. थैंक यू.